Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another mint mongoose. I think this is a bonus delivery, which is what she told me it was. So anyway, if you're not familiar with Mint Mongoose, it is a jewelry subscription service. It's $12 a month and you get really, really cute jewelry. Well, this is my second one. And the first one was so cute. I got this really adorable swan ring, and also I got a necklace and earrings set, which was just adorable. As a matter of fact, my teenage daughter was like, I'm stealing that. And I was like, oh no, you ain't, baby. Anyway, so this is, I don't know exactly what this will be because it's a bonus box, but normally what you get for your $12 is you get 3 pieces of jewelry. And honestly, the last time, sorry, something popped up. The last time, even one of those pieces would have been worth $12. I mean, you know, it's not really like you're not going to get solid gold jewelry for $12, but it's really cute and the quality was really good. I was like, whoa, holy crap, this ring is beautiful. So anyway, we're going to see what's on here today. It comes in this cute little package. As you can see, it's all shiny. I like shiny things. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, so I don't know about you, but you know, it's like Christmas when you get one of these things. You're like, oh my gosh, it's Christmas. So let's see. Okay, this is how it comes. And look, freaking adorable. Oh, sorry. I'm such a klutz. It's got a little mongoose. See? Mint colored mongoose. It's so cute. You almost don't want to open it, but ugh, I'm opening it. I don't give a shit. It's pretty. Let's see. But we still opening it. Maybe. Okay. I got scissors because I ain't stupid. There you go. I need a stamp. I don't mail anybody. Oops, but I still want one of those little stamps. I saw those on one of the videos, like a little, like you put some wax and then you stamp it with like your initial, and I want one. So let's see what's here. Okay, now in every box you get a little piece of Werther's candy, which is just a cute little touch, you know. It's cute. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you this ring. First of all, this is the ring from last week. It's a swan, and it's, or last time, sorry, not last week. It's really, really pretty, and it's very sturdy. All the rings are adjustable, which I think is awesome because, you know, it's hard for them otherwise. And here is another one, another ring, which is adjustable. And look at Look at that, how pretty that is. It's, oh, you can't even see it. The light here is really bad. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Oh, where are you? There you are. Whoa, yeah. There you go. You see it. Now, let it focus. Leaves. It's pretty. I asked for silver because I like silver. But you can get gold or too if that's what you want. Now, the rest of it is in, let's see. You get a little card. Thank you, Mint Mongoose. Yay, it's here, it says. And then the rest comes in this little packet. And I'm telling you, you go to your mail, and what do you get when you get to your mailbox? You get bills, you get junk mail. That's it. So, this is nice. You get like little surprises in the mail, you know? So, who doesn't like a surprise? Who doesn't like a little surprise thing in the mail? They just wrap it up so nice. It's like Christmas or your birthday or something. Ooh. What goodies have we got? Okay, let's do this one first. This is, it looks like a necklace, but I can't really see it. Hold on. Scissors again. Hello, scissors. We're going to cut this open. Ah! I don't know what that was. It just fell. Oh, yeah, it's cool. There's just a little thing here. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. This is really honestly beautiful. Here, I'm going to show you. Put my hand behind it. I don't know why people do that, but they always do that. So, let's see. This way. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Look how sorry. Look how freaking pretty that is. So pretty. It's like this beautiful green. Wow, it would match my pants. The chain is really nice, silver chain. It's delicate, but it doesn't feel like cheap or junky or anything. Honestly, I'm loving this Mint Mongoose thing. This is only my second box, and it's gorgeous. And they all have the cute little mongoose thing. Ugh, I'm so bad at this. I'm sorry, but oh well. Thing. It's their little mongoose symbol. And oh my God, it's a little tangled, but hey, whatever. And that's nice. I'm sorry. That's nice. It's, look at it again. I'm sorry. It's so, so pretty. I mean, come on, 12 bucks. You get the ring and you get this necklace and it's 12 bucks. And that's so pretty. My kid better not try to steal that because I'll be beating her ass. And these are matching earrings. Oh my God. I don't have earrings in right now because I don't have pierced ears. But I'm getting them pierced. I have to now because I got these earrings. And I got no choice. Right? Okay. Earrings. They match. They're gorgeous. I think I dropped something else. I got to check that. Okay, here. I'm not going to try them on, obviously, because I don't have pierced ears now at the moment. Come on. Focus, focus. Focus. Okay, there you go. Turn. Okay, anyway, 10 minutes of me trying to get it into focus. It matches the necklace. They're freaking beautiful. They're gorgeous. I mean, I can't say anything. I would wear this anytime. You know, I love jewelry, and if you want some really good jewelry for, you know, for a reasonable price, and you like little surprises in your mail, try Mint Mongoose. You know, I mean, you get, it's awesome. It's beautiful. This is my second one, and they've like hit it all out of the ballpark each time. Anyway, I know I'm awkward and weird, but what am I gonna do? I'm awkward, weird, and crazy. It's genetic. It's not my fault. Anyway, that's the end of my video. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can please like it, subscribe, share it with everybody. And I'm planning on doing things other than unboxings. I'm going to try some products. I'm going to do some testing things like homemade beauty products and things. So, you know, might be something else you're interested in if you don't like jewelry. So, anyway, have a good weekend. Bye.